take a look at how the fraud scenario is there. So there are two kind of frauds which we see. One is asset misappropriation. Somebody is stealing money and fixed assets are taken out, or inventory is taken out. Asset misappropriation. And the second one is, which is called financial statement fraud. So although asset misappropriation is most common and well known, but average loss is less in comparison to what we see as average loss in accounting statement frauds. It's not very common. Only 10% of the overall cases are reported as financial statement frauds, but the cost of these frauds are very high. So these are extract from report to the nations, which are given by ACFE. And they say in this report that more than half of the organizations, they recovered nothing out of those fraudsters. And whopping 85% of the occupational fraudsters, they were never being charged or convicted. And most of these frauds, they had internal control weaknesses, which are responsible for these frauds. They said so this report was, there was research carried out. This research is carried out every alternate year. So potential projected global fraud loss is USD 4 trillion. It's more than that. And detection rate is only 15% by internal audit, 13% by the management, and 7% frauds are detected by accidents. So that means whereas 15% of all the frauds which were detected, 15% were detected by internal audits, and 7% were detected where, accidentally they came to know, oh, there is a fraud going on. Mainly, the main source of capturing those fraud or detection of fraud is the tips, which is approximately half of the cases were detected by way of tips. So on an estimate, it is said that a company may lose approximately 5% of their annual revenue. This is estimated loss from fraud to all these companies. So when this research was carried out, it was estimated like, okay, 5% of the annual turnover is lost in frauds. So these are the fraud scenarios.